Welcome back to another EagleIoT tutorial. In this session, we'll learn how to seamlessly transition into full screen mode for an immersive experience. Look for the full screen toggle in the tabs navigation bar. Maximize your view by clicking on the full screen toggle in the tabs navigation bar to ensure distraction-free workspace. To minimize the full screen view, simply click on the same button. However, now the icon will be changed to a minimize screen toggle. There you have it. Going full screen in EagleIoT is a breeze, offering an expansive view of your workspace. If you have any questions or need support, please don't hesitate to visit our website www.avl-ksa.com/contact-us. Discover additional tips and tutorials, stay connected for updates, and unlock the full potential of your EagleIoT journey.